Hello there!
AstraZeneca, you made it.
Pfizer, old chap, good to see you.
Hey, why don't you head in? Everyone's doing shots.
Oh, wonderful!
Shots! Come on, AstraZeneca, you got a bit of catching up to do. We're on our second shot already.
Oh, no, thank you. No, I like to pace myself and leave as long a period as possible between my first and second shot.
Jansen, you took your time.
Yeah, got a bit held up, but now I'm here, single, and ready to mingle.
Oh, enjoy.
Hey, is Sputnik coming?
Oh, he's already here. I mean, he arrived way before everyone else.
How did he get here so quickly?
He took a shortcut.
It's freezing in here.
Pfizer keeps turning down the bloody thermostat.
Even Moderna has a jacket on. Pfizer.
Moderna. Yeah, I've been meaning to say. Congratulations, 94% in your exams. That is an incredible result.
Heard you got 95.
95.1. Yeah.
This Delta variant's a bit much, isn't it, eh?
Oh, yes, tell me about it.
I mean, I thought the UK variant was bad enough, but the Delta...
You mean the Alpha variant? Oh, yes, very bad.
Yeah, the UK one.
Hey, Pfizer. Sputnik. You got any spare vaccine? Well, don't you have your own?
Come on. I want the good stuff, you know, for the kids. You want the best for your kids, you understand.
We don't deal with Russia.
Hey, Pfizer, who's your friend?
Well, it's BioNTech. I mean, you know BioNTech, right?
Sorry,
Yeah, so it's Pfizer BioNTech. That's the name, so...
I always thought it was just Pfizer.
No.
Pfizer vaccine.
This has been happening all night.
Hey, where's the Chinese crew? Sinovac and Sinopharm.
Yeah, Pfizer wouldn't invite them.
Huh?
Yeah, so awkward. He said he wasn't invited to their party.
Pfizer, old chap.
Oh, hey.
I just had a fun idea.
Yeah.
Any chance of a vaccine exchange? You know, I give you some of mine and you give me some of yours, you know, as a token gesture. Fan swap, you know?
Yeah, Jansen?
Thanks.
I'm so sorry. I've been calling you Johnson & Johnson all this time.
Oh, yeah, no, that's right, yeah.
But your name is Jansen.
Yes, it is, yes.
So your name is Jansen, Johnson & Johnson.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Bye-bye. See you never. Who was at the door?
I know, I sent them away.
Yeah, no, but who was there?
Exactly, so I sent them away.
Who was there?
I know who was there. They didn't recognize me, so I sent them away.
I think he means the WHO.
Yes.
Oh, for the love of... No, it's okay. Come back. No.
Yee, such a brown noser.
Doomed up.
Yeah, I guess it's like you too, you know, everyone knows Bono, you know, and then there's the other guys. Yeah.
Oh, no, it's more like Simon and Garfunkel, you know, even Stevens.
Yeah. Pfizer's Paul Simon, and then you're Garfunkel.
You.
Cheers.
Why do you bring me to this party?
Why do you always make a scene?